So when you say motor neuron disease, what does it mean? It is basically a degenerative difficulty. That means if your motor nerves has been degenerated, then there is an issue with the control of your body, right? So the real question is, can neurons be regenerated? So what is your question? Your question basically is, can motor neurons be regenerated? So I'll tell you to do a little bit of research and find out for yourself. There are a few things you can type on Google. One, neuroplasticity. What does it mean? It means that neurons can be regenerated. The second thing that you have to type on Google is stem cells, which is there in the body, waiting for the right trigger to do the regenerative activity. The third thing, if it is genetic in nature, either motor neuron disease or any kind of neurodegeneration, if it is genetic in nature, can it also be corrected? So you need to type epigenetics, epigenetics, which says 99% of your genetics can be corrected or changed. Now, where is the connecting factor? What is the trigger that you give to your stem cells so that neuroregeneration as correction happens, right? So what is that trigger? So we have cases where they had chromosomal defect or genetic defect, and after doing 8 months of Kumbhak, the lab report says that genetic defect has become fine. Chromosomal defect has reversed and it has become fine. It also suggests that Kumbhak is a method through which even the genetic discrepancy can be corrected. But Kumbhak is also an epigenetic trigger. That means if you start doing Kumbhak, the stem cells will start activating in your body and will start doing regeneration. Now, it doesn't stop there. Why the degeneration happened? Metabolic discrepancy, metabolic disorder, metabolic weakness. Kumbhak improves metabolism. The first thing that you will be able to see is high energy level. Because when you talk about metabolism, it has some correlation with the mitochondria health of your cells. There is something called as mitochondria, which is powerhouse of the cell. And we have done the first scientific experiment in the world correlating Kumbhak with mitochondria health. And what we have found that it is only Kumbhak which improves mitochondria health drastically within 4 weeks of practice. The first scientific experiment in the world. And that's why All India Institute of Medical Sciences is there with us to do a larger research in this area. Indian Institute of Technology also has shown interest in doing research with us in other areas of human functioning. So can it be reversed? Yes, it can be reversed. The time will be different for different people. But if you start practicing it, you will see. Recently, I got a testimonial from somebody who is into media, and she was suffering from multiple sclerosis. And after 1.5 year or 2 year approximately, she now says she's out of multiple sclerosis because of Kumbhak. There are a lot of disease which cannot be controlled or reversed through allopathic medicine, can be reversed by your body. We have millions of years of evidence for that.